Let's set up AnyTrack via Google Tag Manager through the onboarding wizard. Set the website URL and click Next. We will attempt to scan the website to discover technologies and integrations running on the website. Your Google Tag Manager should already be set on your website. Click Next again to continue and get the AnyTrack Tracking Tag. Choose Install via Google Tag Manager as the tracking setup method. This is only working if your Google Tag Manager container is on your site. Click Install the AnyTrack Tracking Tag to begin the tag installation. Select the Google account you want to use for Tag Manager access. Select the Google Tag Manager account, the Google Tag Manager, container, and the workspace, and click on Add Tag to continue. The AnyTrack tag as well as all page view trigger event will be added to the container. Click Apply and Publish Now to publish the new tracking tag. Select the same Google account again to authorize publishing. You will be redirected to the AnyTrack wizard where you should click on I vetted the tracking tag to continue the setup. You can now connect with ad networks, but we're skipping this step as this tutorial was about Google Tag Manager. Click Setup Integrations. This part of the wizard is to set up integrations. Click Continue to finalize the setup. Click Go to Dashboard to finish setup and open your AnyTrack dashboard.